What is a GMO?
It's a genetically modified organism.
Genetically modified organism. Oh, yeah, genetically modified organism.
Genetically modified organism.
Genetically modified.
Genetically modified organism. Genetically modified organism.
Genetically modified organisms.
They are genetically modified organisms.
GMOs! OMG! Genetically modified organism. It's an organism that the gene has been altered, the genome has been altered to actually produce a better species or a better organism.
GMOs? Well, so far, yung classical GMOs kasi, siya yung parang negative, mas may negative connotation kasi transfer sa kanilang genes. Sobrang far apart ng organisms na yun. So, mas may negative connotation sa public. So, yung mga bagong generation ng GMOs naman, yung genes na pinasok, sabihin natin mas closely related na sila. Parang may wild type ng ganitong species, tapos yung sabihin natin domesticated na ganitong species na plant. Relatively, mas maganda yung idea na yun sa public.
GMOs are genetically modified organisms. Essentially, you place a gene of interest coming from a different organism and you insert them into another species, for example. So you can take a toxin, for example, and put it into corn, and then that corn will be resistant to particular insects because of that toxin.
So are you in favor of GMOs? Why or why not?
Yes, because they're better.
Yes, because if they don't really have any side effects, then why is it bad for us?
In favor ka ba sa GMO?
Hindi.
Bakit?
Ay, joke lang. Oo pala.
Medyo. Just a bit. Why? Why? Because it actually can help us, it can maybe help us in some aspect.
I am in favor of GMOs in a sense that I don't think they're unhealthy. They are somehow how we interpret the nature, so it should be fine. So yeah.
I'm not sure if I have a firm stance right now, but I believe that GMO has the capacity to do good as long as it is used in a wise manner.
I am okay with it, not necessarily in super favor, because GMOs have been proven to be safe, but it's not necessarily been proven to be a necessity for us.
So are you in favor of GMOs? Oh, why?
Kasi proven naman through science, although wala pa naman long term, pero sabihin natin sa short term, pwede na, tsaka may tiwala ako sa science.
Yes, because I think that despite the many controversies that surround it, that's how science naturally progresses. And it's sort of like flu shots. Na before it was controversial, people didn't like it, but then it's benefiting us now.
Yes, I am. A lot of people seem to think that if you eat, say, a vegetable that's a GMO, you'll also become genetically modified. But that's not true because when you eat DNA of another organism, it doesn't affect your DNA. It'll just affect the organism itself. So if you can modify its DNA to make it bigger or resistant to insects or pesticides, then why not?
Yeah, I'd be in favor of GMOs, largely because there is an overwhelming number of studies that present the safety of GMOs with respect to human consumption and environmental safety, whereas there are only a few questionable studies that try to oppose the general consensus that GMOs are safe.
Are you in favor of GMOs or not?
Yes, I am.
Why?
Kasi, why not?
Are you in favor of GMOs, yes or no?
Yes, I'm teaching it. Why? Because you have to know the details of how the GMO is produced before you can actually say that it's bad or that it's good. And since I'm teaching it, I've researched about it, and I've been doing it in the lab also. So I know for sure that it's safe. It helps the humanity for for scarcity of food or something like that.
Alright, thank you.